An introduction to Chaldean Numerology. Chaldean numerology traces its roots back 2,000 years ago. During one of the earliest civilizations situated in Mesopotamia, the Chaldeans were a people that relied heavily on divination, as well as reading into things such as vocal tone and inflection. It's often thought that Chaldean numerology is hard to learn. Because of this, a lot of people have come to rely on other forms of numerology. However, Chaldean numerology is easy once you understand the basics of how this ancient and accurate form of numerology works. Chaldean numerology is of the opinion that everyone's name and the way they speak carries a certain type of energy that affects those around them. In order to understand this concept, think of a piano and the way, when played, it produces different sounds according to the key that you hit. In the same way, everyone has their own key and sound, and this informs their personality, the way they view the world, their future, as well as how they come across to other people. Chaldean numerology places great importance on words, as well as the different energy imprints they carry. For example, a person called Dylan may be good at finishing projects because of the first letter in their name, D, is strongly related vocally to the word do, or even door, which closes off parts of a room in a final fashion. Do, on the other hand, gives a person the stamina to keep at something until they achieve completion. Numbers and letters carry a dual nature. That is to say, individuals and situations, according to Chaldean numerology, carry a negative and positive side. After calculating someone's Chaldean numerology value, you may be able to put a name to the intuitive feeling that you have regarding a person's intentions. At the end of the day, Chaldean numerology has the potential to give you an intimate analysis into life, as well as your personality in its entirety.
To find out what secrets numerology has in store for you, click here to get your free instant and extremely accurate numerology reading. You will likely be amazed at what you find out. And for more numerology tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to click the subscription button right here so that you don't miss out on future videos.